What's up you guys, this is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at SMCI stock guys. So we'll take a look at how this week closed out on SMCI and also the play that I took, that I am in actually, how that is looking like and how this week that is coming up, what can we be expecting from an SMCI here? Like how much downside does it has to go or it can go, and or is this still an uptrend and possibly some upside can come? So we'll talk about all these scenarios, and most importantly, I'll be providing my update on the play that I have and how I plan on handling my position, right? With that, please note, none of this is any financial advice. This is only for education purposes. I'm only providing my opinion as an educational content and just sharing what I'm doing, how I'm reading the market, how I'm trading the market. You are solely responsible for your own decisions and outcomes. So also please hit the like, subscribe if you find my videos valuable and helpful, and let's begin. So SMCI, this is our sixth trade. Yeah, sixth trade that is opened. So first two were 100% profitable, third one ran into stop loss, fourth one 50% profitable, and you already know this fifth one was awesome. Like this was a $300 move on a lot of shares that I opened this position on, and this just made my week. Like, I mean, this is, yeah, this, I don't even know how to explain it, but this was awesome. And all these plays, guys, if you are following up my videos, you already know all these plays I call out before I even open these plays. So again, this is, I'm just sharing, okay, nothing more than that. As I'm saying, this is not a financial advice. I'm just sharing what I'm doing. So everything that you see in this video is a planned in advance information that I provide you, what I'm looking at, what I'm doing. And my intention is to teach you what to look for in the market, how to even trade the market, right? That's why I do this analysis and reading of the price action to teach you guys, you know, how you can go and do your own trading with those principles, right? Okay, so now this is the fifth play that I'm in, and so let's read the price action around it and the thesis behind it. So I was about to go short just in this rebound, provided we would have broken this candle to the downside. However, what happened is this thing went up, and it went up above 20 days moving average. It broke the upper side of the body. So this downtrend rebound that I was expecting didn't give that confirmation, and just shot up. So that's why I delayed my position on this to open. But then I saw this red candle and it closed below 20 days moving average. And also together with that, let's go to the hourly interval now. And together with that, what I also saw that day it also broke some structure. So it closed below 20 days moving average and also below 200 hours moving average with this red candle right over here below 200 hours moving average, and it broke the structure over here at $1,047. So that's why I was more looking on the short side. Now I'm pretty sure my swing bot has also given a sell position on it already, and you can see here the last 30 trades of data, green days, red days as well. And so far a lot of positions that this super microcomputer we have gotten on with my bot, they have been awesome. On 100 shares position size, we are at a profit of $68,000 on the last 30 trades. Now this is on 100 shares, so you can, you know, again, this is just a tool as an assistance that I use and all of that. I mean, as I'm saying, I'm taking guarantee of nothing. And so I can change the calculation here to show, like, if I'm only trading 50 shares or 200 shares, what these calculations would look like. But the principles are the same, right? So this is based off of 100 shares calculation by default. So yeah, but yeah, so got the sell signal. And then this is where I actually opened my short as well, not at the bottom of the sell signal, but that's where my bot gave the sell signal. I had my position on the short side right over here. And again, as I said, like, I don't really wait for the sell signal to come. I front load myself. My sell was already over here because I take manually positions out as well in the extension when I see the structure break as well. So the short position that I opened, and this was the trigger point that I shared with you before I even opened this position in my videos, and that was $1,025. This was the trigger point for me for the reasons I just told you, that it broke the structure of $1,047, and we broke this trend line of the pivots that it was forming, right? And on the daily interval, I just showed you that it broke that 20 days moving average this particular day over here. So, and then with this confirmation of the break of the trend line was my confidence to, that's why I had this trigger point here, because I was looking for another break of structure here. Now from last, so yeah, my position got opened, and you can see since then it has been rejecting right at my position open, right? The area, and my stop loss is in this zone, and I'm fine with that. I'll size in, size out if it just gets too much against me. But so far, yeah, the position has been looking great. This is rejecting at that very entry point of mine, and then has been going down. I do want it to go lower quickly, which it's not doing right now. So, and that's why I have my stop losses, and if in case things goes really against me, then I'll start sizing out. And this is the name of the game, I built my confluence based off of some thesis, and when the majority and probability is falling in one direction of the thesis, I take that direction. But I also know that nothing is guaranteed in stock market, and that's why I keep my stop losses. I prepare myself with the stop losses, because there is no guarantee, as I say, right? That's why I always follow 80-20 rule. So now what I'm expecting from SMCI. So this going into this week, this is the important level. So my indicator has already marked it here as a significant level. If you need access to my tools, my indicators, my bots, Wall Street alerts, everything, links to my tools are in the description below of this video. But again, as I'm saying, these tools are only as educational tools and needs to be used as an educational tools only. Beyond that, there is guarantee of nothing on these tools. So 994 is what I'm watching it to break, and that's where the structure is that I really want to see this week it break, right? And so right now it's in I shouldn't say I shouldn't say that it's in no man's land, but what I'm trying to say is that just because it's been consolidating between these two pivot points over here, while it just coming out of a recent uptrend, if this short play needs to work out, I want to see this 994 break within a day or two. Now, the longer it consolidates here, the longer it also increases the probability of going up back again, right? So that's why this $994 level is the very important level. And as if we break this level, 994, that opens up the door on SMCI. For now, I have this level of 904, but to the downside, which is mostly for me, this is going to be a $100 move trade. Yeah, so that's the possibility. I'm just turning things on to the 4 hours interval. Yeah, so this thing, I can target even the previous recent low over here. And that's a very likely possibility for this thing to do, but I usually like to keep it just in case there's this, usually there is a pivot. If buyers have to come in, they will start loading up a little bit ahead of the low, or the what do we call, the support level, so the previous pivot point. So but yeah, so far I'm targeting almost $894 or so in this move, and let's see if this next week I get through this all the way down. Now on 4 hours interval, I want to tell you something, another thing, and that's why, because here's the thing, right? This $994, why I want this to break in my position on the short side, continue to break, for the reasons that lately there are some pivots formed, and 4 hour, yes, we do see a break of structure and the loss of pivots, right? Like this is the pivot. These are the pivots, right? We lost this trend line with the pivots also lost. The only thing is that there is still another structure that is holding, which is a little bit of a broader pivot. It's not that important pivot, but this, again, this will confirm as a pivot or a bull flag on 4 hours if it breaks back above this $1,025 and starts to close days above that. And that's why the stop loss is important. And that's why it's important as a short seller here or a bear here on SMC. Again, guys, I'm a trader. I trade both sides, okay? And so that's why $994 break is important next week to see. Right now, confluence is still built up onto the downside. And so that's why I am comfortable holding this position yet so far. I mean, I haven't taken any partial profits out as well on this. I will start taking some partial profits maybe around this zone of 950, but that pretty much will come at 995 break. Now here's also the thing, if it fails to break on Monday lower and it finds support here at 900 and this level 994, then I might start already, because I'm already in profit, I'll start sizing out a little bit slowly and slowly just because it's not breaking this level. So before it even goes into my stop loss, I want to prepare that, okay, size out my position, and that's why I trade with the shares, because it gives me a lot of flexibility. Now, other than that, guys, that's all actually with SMCI. We have already formed this, a double top on the daily short, and that's why I was taking those short plays as well here, and that's also a cool off. We have also broken this daily level important trend line. This is a separate trend line. The one that I showed, the one I showed you on the hourly interval was a trend line here, which led me to another play. This trend line, the thing is that this is also what was the reasoning that it was suppression of with the resistance with this candle. That was also confidence that, okay, it's a short play, because we got that confirmation of the sell-off there. So yeah, so we have been forming these, these double tops and even a head, a left shoulder. Let's see if this becomes a right shoulder and things like that. Wow, look at it. Oh, wow. Huh. Sorry guys, I'm just playing around here with my drawing. But yeah, hope you like my drawing. Here we go. Happy guy. Or a bird. Angry bird. Looks like an angry bird. All right, anyway, sorry guys. Now, yeah, so guys, that's all for this video for SMCI. If you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. If you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. And with that, I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.